How to withdraw USD dollar from Binance to bank account. So the steps are so simple to follow. Now open up your Binance app. After you open Binance, now go to trade. After you come to this trade, now at the top, swipe to right like this, go to P2P. After you come to this P2P, in this currency section, tap on this. Make sure you select USD in this option. Search for USD. So here is now USD. So make sure you choose USD as your default currency. After you choose USD, tap on this sell button. After you come to this sell button, from this option now tap on this payment and select bank transfer. If you choose bank transfer, tap on this confirm button. So tap on this option to specify the amount of USD you want to send. So for me, let's say I want to send 200 USD. After you confirm this, all you have to do now, from now, Binance will give you the list of people that will give you USD into your bank account and collect your USDT. So let's say now I want to sell my USDT and collect USD in exchange to this person. So now tap on this person. Now here is it. You can tap on the sell button beside the person name. Tap on the sell button. So after you tap on the sell button, from this section it says bank transfer. Tap on this option now and add in your bank. You go and tap on this add bank transfer. It will appear like this one. It will ask you to type in your bank details. After you add your bank detail, the bank detail will appear like this now. So now tap on this back arrow. So from this option now, go ahead now and tap on this place order. After I tap on this place order, now this person will go ahead and pay the USD into your bank that you provided to him. After the person has paid you, this button will change to receipt. If you tap on this receipt button, from there Binance will release your USDT to the person since he has sent you 200 amount of USD into your bank account. That's it, guys.